Welcome back to my YouTube channel Noor Designs Collection. Today I have brought a new collection of abaya for you which is very unique. I hope you will like this collection. If you are new to the channel then please subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Real abayas are beautiful in all colors, but there's just something about a black abaya. It's elegant, it's powerful, and most importantly, it never goes out of style. This is our first piece, the classic plain black abaya. No fuss, super comfortable, and perfect for daily wear. When you want the clean, graceful look without trying too hard, this is the one. Next up, this gorgeous black abaya with embroidery. A little glam, a little sparkle, ideal for special events, family gatherings, or even Eid. Now check this one out, a Kate-style black abaya. It's flowy, dramatic, and super chic. I personally love wearing this to semi-formal events or even as a statement piece for dinners. You know what I love most about black abayas? They're so versatile. You can dress them up with accessories and heels, or keep it chill with flats and a tote bag. They work in every season and for every vibe. Here's another favorite, a belted black abaya. It gives your waist some shape and adds a modern touch to your outfit, perfect for those days when you want to feel stylish and comfortable. Honestly, a black abaya is more than just an outfit. It's a statement. It's that one piece you can always rely on, whether you're running errands, attending a gathering, or just feeling yourself. Black abayas represent elegance, modesty, and timeless fashion. Across cultures and generations, the color black has remained a symbol of grace and sophistication, and when styled in an abaya, it becomes an icon of powerful femininity and cultural pride. From simple, classic cuts to intricate, embellished designs, black abayas have evolved to suit every mood, event, and personality. Whether it's a formal gathering, a daily wear outfit, or a bridal choice, a black abaya never fails to leave a lasting impression. Modern designs blend tradition with trend, adding touches like lace, embroidery, stonework, and flowing cuts to the traditional silhouette. Open styles, cape cuts, and kaftan inspirations have turned the black abaya into a canvas of endless creativity. What makes the black abaya truly unique is its versatility. It pairs effortlessly with statement accessories, colorful hijab, and bold makeup, yet it also stands powerfully on its own, in its minimalist form. In today's fashion world, the black abaya is not just a garment, it is a statement. It's an outfit. It's a statement. It's that one piece you can always rely on, whether you're running errands, attending a gathering. World where fashion changes every day. Some styles remain eternal. The abaya is not just a piece of clothing, it's a reflection of culture, confidence, and grace, rooted in tradition, yet evolving with time. The abaya has transformed into a symbol of modern modesty. From minimal classics to bold contemporary cuts, each design tells its own story. Whether adorned with embroidery, layered with elegance, or tailored with simplicity, the abaya embraces every woman with comfort, class, and beauty. Today, we invite you to explore a collection that celebrates timeless silhouettes and modern expression. A collection where fabric flows like poetry, and every stitch speaks of strength. This is not just a fashion showcase, this is the art of modesty. So that was my black abaya collection. From the classic to the contemporary. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you want to see more collections, like white abayas, printed designs, or even bridal styles, just drop a request below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a fashion drop. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay stylish, stay confident, and always stay true to your modest vibe.